doing with those autocoaches?
Well, I don't know how to use them. I can't see where I'm going.
Oh dear, Ryan, it looks like you're a bit out of luck here. Me, Oliver and William are designed for these autocoaches, not you. We have special equipment that helps us to use these things, which you don't, so I'm afraid you're a bit out of luck here.
I know. It's hard to see where I'm going with these things in front of me, but my guard has to try and take control of it while he can't.
Right. Well, I see.
Why did this Dolfy controller get me to take these autocoaches?
I know. Hang on, that's Alice and Mirabelle. Those are actually my autocoaches. Why the Dolfy controller made you take them, I don't know, Ryan.